Hello children, this is Swarnima teacher from Toddledom School. Welcome to our new math session. Today, teacher is going to teach you a new method of addition. Earlier, you have done the addition of numbers where you have drawn the pictures, correct? Now, we are going to draw the picture, then we will write the number and then we'll count and do the addition. So let's start with our session and see how this session goes. So children, on the top we are going to write the date, that is 29-01-2121, and on top mention CW and the heading will be addition. A D D I T I O N, addition. Now on the first line we are going to draw the picture first. So here we start with the ball. This way we are going to make the balls. Okay, now leave one block and put plus sign. Then again draw the other part of the ball like this. Again leave one block and put an equal sign and dash. Now below the ball you have to put dash on both the sides like this. Now leave one line again and we'll draw triangles. Okay, so look at the picture and see how teacher is drawing. This way closely you have to draw the drawing and draw the picture small. Now after putting the plus sign we are going to draw the other triangle like this and again put equal sign and put a dash in the second block, and in the same way again you have to put the dash below the triangle also. So children, don't forget to mention in the margin A, B, the alphabets, and now we'll leave one line and again we'll write C. Now in the C part we are going to draw balloon. So first you have to observe how teacher is drawing and how many picture teacher is drawing, because we are going to count it later. So you have to observe. So do not make any mistake while observing. Look carefully on the screen and draw the pictures. And keep in mind that plus sign should come below the plus sign and equal sign should come in one line. So in the same way again below the balloon you have to put two dash on both the sides. Now we'll come to D, and here we are making stars. So minutely observe how many star teacher is making. Do not make any mistake. Put plus sign and again draw the other part of the star. Now put equal sign and dash in the next column. Now below star you have to put dash like this again. Now we'll come to the last alphabet, that is E, and on E letter we are making trees. So this way you have to make the trees. Then put plus sign and draw the trees again on this side. and again you have to put equal sign, and in the next column put dash like this, and below tree you have to put dash like this. Now we'll come to the first alphabet and we'll start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So below you have to write number 4 like this. Now count the other part 1, 2, and we'll write below number 2. And now together you have to count and write the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. So we'll write the answer here. Now count the triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So below triangle write 6, and on this side 1, 2, 3, 4. Now together we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So write the answer 10 like this. Now count the balloon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Below balloon write 8, and on this side 1, 2, 3. So write number 3 here. Now together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 stars on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 stars on this side. Now total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now let's count tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. So below you have to write 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. So below write 4. Now 5 plus 4 is equals to, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 trees. So children, this is a little bit different method from which you have already done. So practice again at home. So children, this was our maths period. We'll meet you soon in the next session. Till then, take care of your health and have a good day. And do practice the things which teacher has taught you in the class. Take care. Bye-bye.